Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Code Lovers. Today I'm going to discuss command line. Being able to use command line is a big part of developer. Command line is very fascinating because it's faster and you do not need to use mouse. Developers are very much comfortable to use command line in terminal instead of doing things with mouse. In this video I'm going to teach you very useful commands. Now on a Mac, you simply press command and spacebar, type terminal, enter, your terminal will be opened. If you are on Windows, it is command prompt. Commands are almost similar in Mac, Linux and Windows. I will give you reference to see command line comparison between Windows and Mac or Linux at the end of this video. So, what is command line? It is basically how human interacts with the computer. As I said earlier, with the help of a mouse, I used to create folders, files. Let's create a folder in my desktop. New folder, this test folder. Open this folder, create another folder. Alright, and if I do not need this folder, I'll move this folder to trash. You can do the same thing in the terminal without using a mouse. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
It says, awesome, right? Alright, in our day-to-day work, we will be accessing different computers, servers, programs, files, and even we can download files from Git to work on in the terminal. Now I need to know in which directory I belong in the terminal. Directory means my folder location. As you can see here at the bottom of this page, this is a directory tree. My current directory is projects, and the projects directory or folder has two folders, JS and music app. Go back, projects, awesome. In the same way, we can see in which directory I belong in the terminal because we will be creating and accessing folders and files from the terminal. I want to show you the very first command, pwd. It stands for print working directory or show me my current directory. Alright, my current directory is projects and I want to see if there are any files or folders in this projects directory. ls. Alright, this projects directory consists two folders, JS and music apps. Sometimes we may require to see some what are the or if there are any hidden files or folders in this directory. ls minus a, I mean all. Yes, there are some hidden files or folders exist in this projects directory. Alright, let's create some files and folders in the desktop. Oh gosh, there are so many things in my terminal. Let me clear these things up. How I can do that? Clear, enter. Fantastic. My terminal is clean. Alright, I need to go to desktop. Alright, my present working directory is projects. I will go in the up directory, I mean in the this Mac directory, change directory, dot dot. Alright, I'm in the up directory ls. As you can see here, there are desktop, movies, projects, pictures, a lot of directories belong to this directory. Alright, how I can move to the desktop directory? cd desktop. Okay, I'm in the desktop directory. Now I want to create a folder in the desktop. mkdir make directory and folder name. What is my folder name? Test folder. Alright, as you can see here, the test folder has been created in the desktop. Now I want to open this test folder. Open dot, or you can type the folder name, test folder. The test folder has been opened. Go to this folder, change directory, test folder. I want to create another folder, apps, in this directory. mkdir make directory, apps. Alright, the apps folder has been created. ls apps. Go to the apps folder, change directory, apps. Awesome. Plus the apps folder is clean. Okay, let me create a file, not folder, an HTML file. We can use touch my index.html. Let's see. Yes, my index.html file has been created. ls. Yes, there is a file named my index.html. Now I want to open this file and edit this file. There are a couple of ways to do that. So what I will do, I will open this file with the help of a text editor. Open -a. The text editor is Sublime Text Editor. Text and the file name my index.html. You also can open this file in another way. You can use nano my index.html file. So as you can see here, you can edit the file in the terminal as well. Now let me add an HTML tag, h1. Command is awesome. Close. Right, and at the bottom of this page you can see my exit command, Control X, and I want to save these changes. Yes, enter. Now let's open the my index.html file again. Open my index.html. Fantastic. Command line is awesome. Did you see that? Isn't it faster than the use of a mouse? Alright. Let me clear everything again. Now I want to rename this file. What is my file name? My index.html. So how I can rename the file? mv, my current file name, my index.html space, the new name will be index.html. Alright, the file name has been changed. This is my new file, and now I remove the file. I want to remove the file. So the apps folder has file index.html that has been created, and now I want to remove this file. How I can remove this file? rm space file name index, enter. The file has been removed. Now I want to the apps folder, so I am within the apps folder, so I cannot delete the apps folder from here, so I need to go up directory. How I can go there? cd dot dot, it redirects to me up directory test folder. Now I can delete this, the f folder, rm minus r apps. So you can see here the difference between uh, the deletion process of a file and a folder. So only the rm deletes the file and rm minus r deletes the folder. Awesome, this folder has been deleted. Now I also want to delete the test folder, so I will go in the update tree cd. Now rm minus r test folder. Fantastic. And I'm in the desktop directory ls. My desktop is clean. All right, there are some other things we can do, like cd forward slash, it redirects me to the root directory, essentially my Macintosh HD. ls my Macintosh HD consists the following directory or folder. We also can do cd, this redirects me to the user directory. Let me clear everything. There are some arrows in your computer, in your computer keyboard, like up arrows and down arrows. With the help of up arrows and down arrows, you can check out what are the commands you just ran. And there is another way, you can see all the commands together. Screen, you can see the list of commands you use today. Now I wanted to show you the comparison between Mac and Windows commands. So these are the things. So I showed you some of the very important Mac commands, and here the list of Windows command. Check this out. Take some time, practice a little bit, and become master on command lines. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Bye bye.